So far, so good.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Corey and in today's video, I'm going to be trying out some new non-toxic cleaning products. I just want to first start off by saying that this video is not sponsored and this is my first time using these products. So this is my initial review of these products. I am mainly going to be focusing on my kitchen areas and floors. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you my reasoning for decreasing my family's toxin exposure and my honest opinion on these products with some cleaning motivation thrown in there. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did find it helpful or inspiring, it would mean the world to me if you gave this video a big thumbs up. And if you like organizing, cleaning, and decluttering motivation, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. I post new videos weekly and I don't want you to miss out on any new videos. Now let's dive into this real review of these non-toxic products. I just want to put a little disclaimer out there that I am by no means an expert on this subject and this video does not serve as medical advice, but I encourage you to do your own research into the chemicals that are in cleaning, beauty, and household products. And I am certainly not going to throw every toxic item in my house away, but I am slowly going to start making the switch to lower and non-toxic products, starting with my cleaning and laundry products. All of the research that I have done, these products have the highest toxic load, and these are chemicals that I breathe in every day, so I thought that cleaning and laundry would be the best place to start. I always knew that some of my cleaning products that I was using, like my stainless steel wipes and my tile and grout cleaner, were extremely toxic because I would get a massive headache after using these products, and the harsh scent would linger for days. I am someone who is very sensitive to fragrance, and experts on this topic are calling fragrance the new secondhand smoke, which is really scary to me, especially because my son is in my house and he is always with me when I'm cleaning, and I really don't want him to be exposed to such harsh toxins at such a young age. So obviously my son is the main reason for ditching these toxic products, but there is another reason that I will share with you later on in this video, but I just wanted to kind of go through these products and how this brand works and why I chose to go with the brand Branch Basics. Branch Basics is a woman-owned company with a mission to help people ditch toxic products and live healthier lives. Their company is more than just selling soap. It's about educating and empowering people to live healthier, more fulfilled lives through lifestyle modifications and lessening your toxic exposure, which I can really respect as a nurse. And the concept of these products is that you have one concentrate for everything and you dilute the concentrate and refill the bottles as needed. They have certain ratios for different cleaning needs, all mapped out for you in a digital handbook. Having only one concentrate for everything really intrigued me because if you've watched any of my other videos, you know I like to keep things as simple and minimalistic as possible. So I ended up going with a starter kit, but you can just purchase the concentrate on its own and use your refillable bottles at home. So this starter kit comes with an all-purpose bottle, bathroom bottle, streak-free bottle, foaming wash bottle, and laundry bottle. And I wanted to go with the starter kit because the bottles have marks on the side where you fill the water line and then you fill it with concentrate. And I just thought that that would be so much easier than looking up the ratio for each cleaning product. I filled up my all-purpose bottle first and I wanted to see how that worked. I had not cleaned my stove in a really long time just because I knew that I was going to get these products and I really wanted to put them to the test. So I sprayed it on there. I did let it sit for a couple minutes and I was very pleasantly surprised with how easy this dirt and grime came off of my stove. I would argue that this works better than my Dawn dish soap and water cleaning mixture that I have been using. It lifted the grease and the grime really, really well, and it didn't leave any residue. So I'm just going through with a sponge and then a microfiber towel to kind of buff everything out. But I am very impressed with how this cleaned my stove. So let's keep on cleaning and see how it does on other areas of my kitchen. So the all-purpose worked wonderfully on my kitchen sink. I did not have to scrub as hard to get the grime and grease off of it. And then I'm also cleaning my stovetop grates, and I just sprayed a little bit of the all-purpose on there, scrubbed, and the grease lifted really nicely, really easily. So far I am really enjoying this all-purpose. Now I'm going to fill the bottles for the bathroom and the streak-free, and we are going to test out those products. So the bathroom bottle has more concentrate than the all-purpose does, and the streak-free just has a drop of concentrate in it. So that is what I'm doing right now, and I really want to try the streak-free on my refrigerator. So I'm excited to see how that works. The laundry, you fill about half water and half concentrate, so that does take up a lot of the product. I'm not really sure how that is going to go. I might try and opt for a less expensive brand of laundry detergent, just depending on how quickly I go through this bottle of concentrate. I'm a little bit worried about that, so I guess only time will tell. And then I'm also just filling up the hand soap bottle while we are at it. So all my bottles are filled and ready to go. The all-purpose worked really, really well. I'm just a little bit worried about the price because I filled up all the bottles and I have about half of the concentrate left. And just cleaning my stove and sink, I've already used like a decent amount of this bottle. So I don't know, we'll see about the price. I am going to try the streak-free now on my refrigerator and see how that works. I already ditched a pretty toxic product that I was using for that. I'm going to grab it. I need to get rid of it, so that's what I'm going to do today. But I was using these stainless steel wipes, which did work really, really well, but this always gave me a horrible headache after using it. So I already knew that this was super toxic and I didn't want to use it, so that's why I replaced this product with Dawn Dish Soap and Water. So I'm hoping that the streak-free window glass and mirror cleaner can do the job. So I'm gonna get this out of my house. I'm just gonna throw it away right now because I haven't used these in a while and they are super toxic. I'm just spraying down my stainless steel refrigerator with the streak-free mixture, and I'm going in with a microfiber towel in circular motions. Then I go over it again with a dry microfiber towel to get a streak-free finish. This is my process for cleaning all stainless steel. It's the same process that I use when I'm using my normal Dawn dish soap and water mixture. Okay, so the fridge looks pretty good. It's not bad. I think it is comparable to Dawn dish soap. So far so good. I'm just going in with the streak-free on my stainless steel microwave, and I would have to say I am very happy with how this streak-free and the all-purpose cleaner are working so far. I honestly did not have high hopes because when you think non-toxic, all organic cleaning products, you typically think that they don't work. Anyone who has tried non-toxic deodorant knows what I mean. But overall, I am extremely happy and I'm very excited that I found some non-toxic products that seem to be doing a good job of cleaning. Now that my kitchen is all cleaned up and sparkling, I am going to start removing some of the toxic products that I want to replace in my house. I'm going to start with the cleaning products under my sink. Some of the products I am not going to actually get rid of, but just put them in a box and take them down to the basement, put them in storage. Other products like my beloved Zep foaming wall cleaner are going to stay with me underneath the sink because I feel like this is a product that I'm not going to use it every day or even every week, but I feel like it is a product that while it is super toxic, something that really can't be replaced because it does work so well. Maybe I can find something that's less toxic to use that works just as good, but progress over perfection here is kind of my motto. I want to remove these products from my cabinet because even by those products existing and without me using them can pollute the air in my home and cause unforeseen issues according to all of the research that I've done. I'm not ready to just throw these products out, but I am going to remove them from our general living space. Toxic products pollute the air and weaken our immune system and can cause a multitude of health problems, which leads me into the second reason why I am slowly making the switch to cleaner products. I feel like the past 5-ish years, I have just felt overall lousy. And this was even pre-baby, so I can't blame it on lack of sleep. I have very low energy levels. I'm constantly bloated and dealing with stomach issues, brain fog, overgrowth of candida, and just overall feeling not healthy. And I feel as a 31-year-old with no chronic health conditions who exercises regularly and eats an overall clean diet, I should just not be feeling this way. I've had multiple workups and I'm constantly getting my thyroid checked, etc., with seemingly nothing wrong. Once I started looking into all of this, these are symptoms of a high toxic load. Again, this is not medical advice, and trust me, I've brought these concerns up to my doctor many times, so I figured switching to cleaner products isn't harmful and hopefully will help with some of these symptoms. So now I'm going to be trying out the Branch Basics Concentrate on my floors. We will see how this works. I'm very particular about how my floors look. I am using my Power Dash floor cleaner, which I use on a regular basis and I love. So I just put a few squirts of the concentrate mixed in with warm water into my Power Dash, and let's see how it works. So far, the concentrate is coming out a little bit sudsy. You can't see that on camera, but that is not normally how it comes out when I use the regular solution. And you can see it does look very streaky. So maybe I used a little bit too much concentrate. I am going to dilute it and see if that works. But I'm just going to go in with a microfiber towel and kind of buff that out. This is not something that I normally do when I use the regular solution for my Power Dash. So I don't know. Let's see how it looks after I dilute it. Okay, so I added a little bit more water to the concentrate and it does look less sudsy and more normal, how it normally looks when I'm using the regular concentrate that's made for this Power Dash. So it does look less streaky too. So I think I might have just had too much concentrate in the water. It does say to use 1 to 2 tablespoons to 1 gallon of water. And I think I didn't measure it out. I probably should have. And as you can see, it did clean my floors really, really well. Look at all that dirt and grime. That's pretty disgusting. But that's how it looks every time. And my floors feel very clean and they're not streaky after I added in the concentrate. So I think that this is a good substitute. I'll probably keep working with the ratio of water to concentrate to kind of get it perfect. But so far, so good. I am pretty happy with that. It doesn't have a scent, which I like. My husband likes the scent of the Power Dash concentrate, so we'll see how he feels about it. Now moving into the laundry room, which is in the process of getting renovated, so I apologize for the mess. But this OxiClean odor blaster, it smells horrible. The scent is so strong. When I open my laundry room door, that's all I smell. My husband bought this because his gym shirts smelled really bad and he was hoping that that would get the smell out, but they just smell like dirty gym shirts with this nasty odor. So I am just going to put this in the basement. These Downy Unstoppables, I don't even use these. I'm just going to throw them out. But they smell terrible too, very fragrant and strong. Going to get rid of basically all of the laundry items that are in there. This is the Ultra Clean that we use, free and clear. I thought that it was less toxic because it has no fragrance, but apparently it is not. So I am going to keep that in the laundry room because I think my husband's probably going to want to use that. So now I'm just going to throw a load of laundry in and use the new laundry detergent, the non-toxic, and it says to use 1/4 of a cap, which actually is not a lot, so I'm hoping that this lasts us a while. So I didn't film pulling out my laundry because it was late at night, but everything seemed really clean. I think honestly only time will tell to see how the laundry detergent works. So I will keep you guys updated. And you know how when you're done with your cleaning day, you light a candle. Well, I think I'm gonna make a new tradition that once I'm done with my cleaning day, I'm gonna make myself a nice cup of tea with honey, relax, and enjoy it because I am ditching all of the fragrances in my house right now. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope it gave you some inspiration and motivation that you were looking for. If you did enjoy this video, it would mean the world to me if you gave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and I will see you on the next one.